Annyeong! It's your Army Oma Yell again, your resident Oma here on TikTok. If you're new here, welcome! Don't forget to check my other videos, especially if you're an Army planning to visit Seoul. I make travel guides specifically for fellow Armies like you. And today, I'm bringing you with me in my hobby on a chill day trip outside Seoul. From the city center, it took us almost 2 hours to reach Suwon. And yes, tatlong sakay to bes. We had to transfer 3 times, kaya be ready for a little commuting adventure and lots of patience while enjoying this beautiful scenery here in Suwon. Hindi naman kasi nakakainip. And our first stop is the Starfield COEX Mall Suwon. And as your certified Army Oma, kailangan muna ng konting lakad and mall appreciation. The moment you step in, ang laki and linis. It consists of 7 floors. Nakakasosyal talaga ang mall na to. And then finally, we're heading over to the iconic Suwon Library. It really took my breath away. It's a reminder that you don't always have to rush. Minsan it's okay to stand still and soak it all in. And kahit di ka bookworm, you'll love this place. Just a tip, go early para di masyadong marami ang tao. Perfect photo op to.